Hello children, this is Muhammad Rashid, your mathematics teacher from Hira Public School. Today we are going to solve word problems on subtraction. So let's get started. Question number 8, solve these word problems. Question number A is Shonali is taller than Nikki by 50 centimeter. If Sonali's height is 124 centimeter, what is Nikki's height? सोनाली की जो हाइट है वो निक्की से 50 सेंटीमीटर ज़्यादा है. अगर सोनाली की हाइट 124 सेंटीमीटर है तो निक्की की हाइट क्या होगी? वी आर गोइंग टू राइट द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. Sonali's height is equal to 124 and difference in height, the difference is 50 centimeter. Sonali is taller than 50 centimeter by Nikki. Sonali Nikki से 50 सेंटीमीटर ज़्यादा है तो डिफरेंस कितना हुआ? 50 सेंटीमीटर. 0, 5. Here we put minus sign. Now we will find Nikki's height. So we have to subtract the difference in height from Sonali's height. हमें सोनाली की हाइट में से ये जो निक्की और उसमें डिफरेंस है, निक्की और सोनाली की हाइट में जो डिफरेंस है उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होगा. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 2 minus 5, we cannot subtract 5 from 2 because 2 is less than 5 and we know that we cannot subtract a larger number from a smaller number. So we need a borrow. When we take a borrow from 1, then it will become 0 and it will become 12. Now we will subtract 5 from 12. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. So this is your answer. So Nikki's height is 74 centimeter and this is answer. Okay, now we come to question number B. Question number B is a fruit seller brought 214 apples to his shop. He found that 65 apples were rotten. How many good apples is he left with? So एक फ्रूट सेलर में जो फल को बेचता है, जो फल को बेचने वाला होता है, वो 214 एप्पल्स अपनी शॉप के लिए ले आता है बेचने के लिए. बट ही फाउंड दैट, लेकिन उसे पता चलता है कि 65 एप्पल्स वर रॉटन. रॉटन मीन्स ख़राब हो गया या सड़ा हुआ. तो उसके 65 एप्पल्स क्या हो जाते हैं? ख़राब हो जाते हैं. हाउ मेनी गुड एप्पल्स इज़ ही लेफ्ट विद? अब उसके पास कितने ठीक या सही सेब बचे हैं? सो फर्स्ट वी राइट द स्टेटमेंट. टोटल एप्पल्स, टोटल एप्पल इज़ 214. Sorry, here we write ones, tens, 100. Here also we write ones, tens and 100. Now rotten apples means जो ख़राब सेब हैं वो कितने हैं? 65. Okay. How many good apples is he left with? Now we will subtract 65 from 214. 4 minus 5 is not possible because 4 is less than 5 and we know that we cannot subtract a larger number from a smaller number. So we need a borrow. We take a borrow from 1, then it will become 0, and here we get 14. Here we get 14. Now 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. Here we get 0, and now we will subtract 6 from 0. So we cannot subtract 6 from 0 because 0 is less than 6. So we need a borrow. We take borrow from 2. So it will become 1, and here we get 10. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 1 minus nothing is equal to 1. So this is your answer. Now we come to question number C. Question number C is, Mr. Rai had 937 rupees and Mr. Dua had 748 rupees. Who had less money and by how much? Write the statements also. Mr. Rai के पास 937 रुपीज़ थे and Mr. Dua के पास 748 रुपीज़ थे. Who had less money and by how much? किसके पास कम पैसा था और किसके पास ज़्यादा, और कितनी ज़्यादा या कितनी कम, यह स्टेटमेंट हमें देना है. So Mr. Rai has 937 and Dua has 748. तो यहाँ से क्लियर होता है कि मिस्टर राय के पास ज़्यादा पैसे थे, बिकॉज 937 इज ग्रेटर देन 748. Mr. Dua had less money. Okay, here we are going to write the statements. Rupees with Mr. Rai is equal to 937. Rupees with Mr. Dua 748. Difference of money, here we put minus sign. 7 minus 8, we cannot subtract 8 from 7, so we need a borrow. Then it will become 2 and it will become 17. So 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. We cannot subtract 4 from 2, so we need a borrow. Then it will become 12. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8, and we know 9 is already given, 1 borrow to 2, so here we get 8. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. So Mr. Dua had less money by 189. मिस्टर दुआ के पास कितना कम पैसा था, कितना कम रुपया था? 189. So this was the answer of question C. Now we come to question number D. Rahul typed 350 words, then he deleted 175 words. How many words are left? How many words are left? राहुल 350 वर्ड्स को टाइप करता है एंड देन ही डिलीटेड 175 वर्ड. उसके बाद वो क्या करता है? 175 वर्ड्स को डिलीट कर देता है. हाउ मेनी वर्ड्स आर लेफ्ट? अब कितने वर्ड्स लेफ्ट हैं, यानी बचे हैं. तो टोटल टाइप वर्ड्स 350 मीन्स 350 एंड डिलीटेड वर्ड 175 वर्ड्स. लेफ्ट वर्ड here is 0, so we cannot subtract 5 from 0, then we need a borrow. It will become 10 and it will become 4. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Now we cannot subtract 7 from 4. So we need a borrow, then it will become 2 and it will become 14. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So your answer is 175. In this way you will solve all the word problems on subtraction.